Okay, if we take a third example, let's draw the graphs of y equals x squared minus 4 and y equals the modulus of x squared minus 4. Okay, now obviously on the A level, it's lined paper you're going to work on rather than graph paper. That's why I'm doing this example on here. So if we start with y equals x squared minus 4, again you could do a table of results if you wanted to. Obviously you should be aware that the x squared graph is going to be a nice smooth curve. So if you think about solving that, when x is, let's do 0 first of all, if x was 0, put it into this one, sorry, if x was 0, y is going to be minus 4. And the other one that is probably worth looking at is when y is 0. Okay, so if we go this way, when y is 0, we bring the minus 4 over, if I do it here. So we'd have 4 equals x squared. So then we could square root 4 to give us x. So x is going to be plus or minus 2. So when x is 2, y will be 0, and when x is minus 2, y will be 0. Because that's enough information for us to be able to draw our sketch. Okay, now remember it is a sketch. So if this is my y-axis, my x-axis, I know it's got to cross through minus 2 and 2, and it's going to go down to minus 4. And then I can just do a very quick sketch of a smooth curve. You should be using pencil and a ruler for drawing. I used a ruler, but pencil doesn't show up quite so well. Okay, so that's my y equals x squared minus 4. So now I want to do y equals the modulus of x squared minus 4. So I'm going to do a new set of axes. And what you should notice from what we've already done, it's still going to go through minus 2 and 2. But anything below the x-axis gets reflected up. So instead of crossing through minus 4, it's now going to cross through 4. And we've basically got the curved part comes down here, and then it's going to reflect up and over down to the 2, and then it would come back up. Okay, and that would be the graph of y equals the modulus of x squared minus 4.